Hello. Now that we divided the platform from the chassis and then we have two different components, we need to think about a method to hold the platform in place. So we will use again McMaster screws. So let's start. Okay, and what I need to do now? So I need a 2mm screws. So I'll inspect. So this is 2mm diameter, and how long they should be? They should be. I will go to the. Sorry, I will hide the sketch a little bit. So okay, I will go to the top of the hole till the top. Okay, 18mm. Okay, so I will go to. I will write down those. So 18mm. 18mm long for 2mm diameter. Okay, and I will go to the McMaster screws and bolts. I will use this kind. I'll go to metric. I need it to be 2, and long it will be let's see 14. We don't need one very long. I'll go to the product detail and I will select the step and I will save. Awesome, so we have one screw. I will hide the comments. I will go to it using the line. I will select the base of the head and I will go to our base. I will rotate it and we have the screw perfectly placed. I need more 3 of them. So I have all the screws placed. But now, what about the nuts? Well, I don't need nuts here because let's see. I will hide a little bit the screws here. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I will use the thread option from the create panel. I will select all the holes. I will select here modeled, and voila, Fusion does a thread hole for the screw. So when I print the chassis, I will have threads inside of the holes for the screws. So let's show them again. Okay, and those I want to move them. So I will create here a subcomponent, new component. It will be called platform screws. I will save and I will insert all the screws in the platform screws. I will capture the position. Always capture the position if you don't want to change something or then you want to add a join. Okay, and I will go with the platform screws to the screws folder. And now, as we can see, let's hide everything. And now let's show all the components and activate the root component. As you can see, we have the chassis assembled with screws, but let's test something. So I want to save this one as an STL. So it's the car chassis. And I want to save this platform as an STL. What can we observe here? We have here 2 hours and 45 minutes, so let's see 3 hours, and here 34 minutes, and with the supports it would be 3 hours and 39 minutes. So we reduce the time of the printing by doing this, and we don't need any more support. So let's see the difference between the used filament. So here, so let's see the difference between the hours. Here I have 2 hours and 40 plus 34, and here I have 3 hours and 40, so the time decreased. But let's see the cost of the filament. So here we have 33 and here 10, so it will be something like 43, and here we have 49, almost 50 grams of material. So with this method, we are also using less material, and it's a little faster. So dividing the components in 2 parts, we use less filament, and the process will be faster. Good. Now that everything is in place, I will go to the home and I will save add screws to platform and divide chassis and platform into different components. Awesome. See you in the next video where we'll start adding the other components.